Hey all! I am your hometown realtor, Sybil Kuhn, bringing you the latest information about our local and national markets. To stay informed, follow along with my articles, blog and videos. Let me know if you have any questions along the way. Brand new construction 2024. Paved driveway, home sets back off main road, open floor plan with vaulted ceiling. Cascading waterproof flooring through entire home. Primary bedroom with spacious closet, both baths have custom tiled showers, handcrafted, live edge countertops. Main bath has deep soaking tub. Natural lighting in living room for beautiful days. Mini split AC system connects to Alexa. Smart appliances in kitchen, warm oven prior to arriving home, island west/eat and bar area, granite countertops, nice pantry off of kitchen for extra storage. 2-car garage, ample parking. 6 blocks to acres of nature trails and park. 4 blocks to historic downtown where you